Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to display a menu for calculating area of a circle or perimeter of a circle. So a menu will be displayed. You can choose whether to calculate area of the circle or a perimeter of the circle by obtaining the radius as an input from the user. The formula to calculate the area of the circle is pi r square. Pi value is 3.14159 into radius into radius. Perimeter equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14159 into radius. For this we are going to write a Python program. I am declaring a variable radius equal to float of input of enter the radius of the circle. The input statement display the string enter the radius of the circle in the console. When user enter a value which is obtained as a string by the input statement and is converted into float by using this float function and gets stored in the variable radius. Print 1 calculate area. I am writing another print statement 2 calculate perimeter. So this will be displayed to the user. When user enter 1, the area of the circle will be calculated. When user enter 2, the perimeter of the circle will be calculated. So either area of the circle or a perimeter of the circle will be calculated based on the choice given by the user 1 or 2. Now to perform the calculation, I am using a if statement. Now I am going to obtain the choice from the user. Choice equal to integer of input of enter the choice. Enter the choice. So when user enter a choice, it is converted into integer and stored it in the variable choice. Now I am going to perform the calculation based on the choice. If choice equal to 1, I am calculating area equal to 3.14159 multiplied with radius So pi r square formula is calculated and the value is stored in the variable area. Now I am going to print the result of the area. Print area of the circle with radius followed by the variable radius comma followed by the string is followed by the variable area. Else the variable prm equal to 2 multiplied with 3.14159 multiplied with radius. That means 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14159 pi value into radius is getting calculated. Now I'm going to print the result. Print perimeter of the circle with radius followed by the variable radius. So is comma, I'm displaying the value of perimeter. Then perimeter of the circle with radius followed by the radius value followed by the string is, and here PRM, the variable PRM. So perimeter of the circle with radius, the radius value will be displayed by the string is, and PRM is the variable which hold the perimeter value. Otherwise, perimeter will get calculated and result is displayed. So we'll make a recap. First, I am obtaining a radius from the user and storing it in the variable radius. Next, I am giving two choices to the user by using the toPrint statement. The choice 1 to calculate the area, choice 2 to calculate the perimeter. So ask the user to enter the choice. So here the choice entered by the user is a string, because input statement always receives the string which is converted to integer by using the int function and stored it in the variable choice. Now I am writing if else statement. If choice equal to 1, I am calculating area. The indentation is the tab space given here. It stands. These two statements are in the scope of the if block, that is the indentation given here. So I am calculating an area by using the formula pi r square and display the result. If the choice is not equal to 1, that means I am calculating the perimeter and displaying the result. That's it. Now we will execute the program and check the result. Enter the radius of the circle. I am giving 2.5 degree is the radius. So I am getting two choices. One to calculate the area, two to calculate the perimeter. I am entering 1. I am getting result. Area of the circle with radius 2.5 is 19.6349375. Now I am executing a program again. The radius is 2.5. Now I am entering a choice 2. Here I am getting a result. Perimeter of the circle with radius 2.5 is 15.70795. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.